guys, and I even have edges now. I have freaking edges. Don't talk to me again. Don't talk to me again. I'm a new person. I'm a new person. Hey y'all. Hi guys, it's the Wig Fairy. Welcome to my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. I'm back. I don't know if I'm gonna post this video first or the one before, but I was basically saying I put Vaseline on my lips and my nail is off, so please ignore that. Yeah, so I've been here for a while. Like, I was feeling insecure, like feeling like I had to wear makeup, blah blah blah. But I've just decided, like, Irabna, this is you at the end of the day. Irabna is my name. This is you at the end of the day. You can't come and kill yourself. Like, I mean, you are who you are. You can't change your face. But yeah, so I'm back and promising you guys consistent videos and entertaining content by the grace of God. Wow. And this is a judgment-free zone, so nobody's come for my, like, you know, I'm showing you guys all my imperfections and I'm drawing attention to it because I'm low-key kind of insecure, but like, I'm okay. And working on self-love. I don't know if I post the first video, then you guys would have heard this already, but working on self-love, like, I really struggle with that. So I'm trying to do better because you can't keep bringing yourself down. But anyway, guys, so today I'm going to do a glueless install of a Kinky Straight Unit that the Wig Fairy offers. But now we don't just offer regular Swiss lace. This is regular Swiss lace because I've had this for about a year. Like, you guys will even believe that I styled this, straightened this, and I still press in everything and put it away, like threw it away, like put it in some background, like, and it's been a year. But yeah, so yeah, it's gonna be a glueless install, and then I'm gonna prank my Instagram followers and say that I still press my hair. Yeah, so we're gonna get started. I'm gonna start by putting foundation at the base. This is like gonna be a quick thing. Like, I'm not gonna use lace tint. I'm just gonna use foundation. Yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna use Ruby Kisses, level 15, the lightest shade. So this one. This one. I'm gonna push this back and then apply. Please don't talk about my edges. I'm gonna apply some Wig Fairy edge control to our edges. She's great-tastic. Smells lovely. Looks beautiful. Okay, I can't find the brush, but it's a pink, lovely, cute brush. I'm just gonna use my fingers. You can do that as well. But each purse just comes with a brush. So now that we know this is the shade that we're going for, we're just going to apply it to the base of the thingy. Rub it lightly. You don't want to apply too much for it to like push through the lace. Do you get what I'm saying? So you have to make sure it's done really lightly. It doesn't get through because it can cause a messy install. Every day when I wake up, I want to fly back to Jamaica. Now let me just try this on and see. Straight into your water. Wow. One day I go graduate today. Wow. Oh my gosh. I'm sick. I'm sick to my stomach. Oh my goodness. Wow, Irabna. You are great. So now, you want to cut around the ears. But I cannot back away before that. I go set up the place now. Sexy girl, make me mash up the place now. I'm just taken aback by the beauty. Now, onto this side. Set up the place now. We go mash up the place now. I don't want to pluck too much, because the more you pluck, it means the shorter the lifespan of your closure. So I like to pluck just enough, but not too much. Does this look okay? I think so. if it looks okay, blink. Okay, this is good. This is good. And so you can either use mousse. I could use the Wig Fairy Magic Mousse, which we use for, because the hold is so strong that it holds and it allows for like a seamless and flawless glueless install. Or I use this VO5 holding spray, which is also really good. But because I want, we're gonna go with the hairspray and then use the mousse for any edges we want to create. I think I'll create edges.
I tell you something, girl, you know, say me, I'm not a small boy. I don't graduate from this one. No, girl, I get my master's, I get my PhD. I graduate. Oh, yeah. Don't learn many things, so I don't go many places. I don't see many faces, but girl, now you way, I the one thing, you know. Your body so nice, girl, you know, say me, you're the one who's one.
So shake, 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 shake. Hey, let me use my mirror and not the camera. So at this point, I'm gonna tie this and then go over the hot comb and straightener.
One day I go graduate to the big bum and the tiny waist, but I cannot back away before.
Can you guys see this? Are you seeing? Can't wait for the finished product.
Sexy girl, make me mash up the place now. Set up the place now. We go mash up the place now.
So we're gonna go in with a Wig Fairy wax stick. You guys seeing that? Ugh. Show you well. Wig Fairy wax stick. Yes.
We go mess up the place. We go set up the place. Then we go mash up the place. We go set up the place. Mash up the place. We go set up the place. Kris, tell them.
The last time I posted a video with Kinky Straight hair, there are people asking, why would you want to even silk press it? That's the point of Kinky Straight. But I really think that depends on you as an individual. You can wear it poofy, you can wear it silk press, like that's up to you. I don't think anybody can tell you what to do with it, as long as it can be manipulated that way. Why not? I mean, do what makes you happy. Wear it the way you want. One way isn't right. There's no right or wrong way to wear Kinky Straight hair. It's really up to you as an individual.
Set up, then mash up the place. Scatter the whole place. Scatter the whole place. Every day when I wake up, I want to fly back to Jamaica. Fly straight into your water. One day I go graduate to the big bum and the tiny waist, but I cannot back away before that. I go set up the place now. Sexy girl, make me mash up the place now. Set up the place now.
Taking it off now.
We go mash up the place now.
I can't even talk. This looks really good and really natural. Wow, this looks great. a moment of freaking lens. Okay, guys. Okay.
Every day when I wake up, I want to fly back to Jamaica, fly straight into your water. One day
I'm gonna go in with a smaller brush and then
set up the place now. We go mash up the place now. Make I tell you something. Girl, you know, say me, I'm not a small boy. I don't graduate from this one. Okay, I get my master's, I get my PhD. I graduate. Oh, yeah. Don't learn many things, so I don't go many places. I don't see many faces, but girl, now you way, I the one thing now, you know. Your body so nice, girl, you know, say me, I don't want no smart things. I want some jiggy bang things.
Hey guys, so I actually had a date, so I wasn't able to film a proper ending video because I wanted to film the prank video before I left home. But yeah, so I got these pictures. I was able to get some pictures so I could show you guys how natural it looks like. It literally looks like real hair. Like I didn't want it to be too much precision with the install. And I'm so pleased with the results. And everybody was freaking shocked and like, oh my gosh, girl, tell me your secret. Blah, blah, blah. You guys, I was dying at dinner. But thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to tell a friend to come watch my videos and subscribe. You guys, I just did some 2x4 silk press. But oh my gosh, look at how much my hair has grown. It was here when I did a blowout. And now look at how much it's grown. Guys, and I even have edges now. I have freaking edges. Don't talk to me again. Don't talk to me again. I'm a new person. My hair is long. I mean, short hair is lovely too. Don't get me wrong, I love it. But I've been trying to grow out my hair for the longest time. This is the last video. Okay, bye.